I'm Shekhar Mishra, Worldwide Product Marketing Manager for IBM Blade Center. I'm here today at the Moscone Center in San Francisco at the VMworld event. Very excited to talk to you about our virtual fabric solution on IBM Blade Center. This solution is a switch from Blade Networks technology and a 2-port chaining adapter from Emulex. What this solution does is it allows you to carve your single 10-port port into 4 virtual ports, and you can carve the bandwidth in any way you want between 100 meg and 10 gig. So what you see here is a vCenter screen, and even though I have a single 10 gig adapter in the server, what you see is up to 8 virtual adapters, and the bandwidth over here is displayed anywhere from 2.5 gig to 1 gig on these adapters. Now if you go to the networking tab, where you can see that each of the virtual NICs is associated with a group, and that's how the communication happens in the hypervisor level. Now I'll go in the actual CLI to the switch, and I'll change the bandwidth of one of the virtual NICs, and we'll show on the fly how the bandwidth gets affected. So I will just enter a couple of commands here. So I'm actually doing it on the port 7 and on VNIC 1 on that. And I will just change the bandwidth from 100 meg to maybe 1.5 gig. And as soon as I apply here, you'll see that in the vCenter screen, the bandwidth of that particular virtual adapter changes from 100 meg to 1.5 gig. And it auto refreshes, and as you can see that it's changed. The next thing we'll do is we'll bring one of the external ports down, and I'll show that only the associated virtual NIC is affected by that. So to do that, I'll go ahead and disable one of the external ports on the switch. And once I disable it, as you notice that it'll bring down the actual virtual NIC associated with it. As you see here, it is down. And now I'll go ahead and re-enable that. And it's been re-enabled, and you see that the virtual NIC is up. So as you can see that this is a very promising and exciting product, and we actually showed it working here in this setup. Thank you.